The mayor of San Ildefonso, Bulacan is back in isolation after testing positive for COVID-19 again. Mayor Carla Galvez-Tan told it to her constituents on Facebook. The Lady Mayor had been infected by the virus in March 2021. She was able to recover after staying for several days in a hospital. 3 months later, Galvez-Tan again experienced mild symptoms. The Municipal Health Office has begun contact tracing efforts as the mayor urged those in close contact with her to observe COVID-19 symptoms and undergo quarantine for 14 days.
Thank you for watching Politica TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.